There are a couple of aggressive growth stocks that have just crossed the radar of our aggressive growth stock strategist, Brian Bolan. He's here with me now to fill us in on both of them. First one is, and I'm going to try and pronounce this, AeroVironment.
Yeah, AeroVironment. It's a maker of unmanned aircraft and efficient energy systems. So like you said, it caught the radar because unmanned aircraft, they
always catch the radar.
They do get picked up by the radar.
Yeah.
Why?
So they make drones?
They make drones. And that's been a very hot topic lately, obviously. Yeah. Facebook and Google both going into that space trying to look at drones. I think just before the Thanksgiving holiday period there, we saw a big 60-minute special on Amazon and how they want to use drones to deliver items. Maybe a little bit far-fetched idea there, at least a few years away from something like that.
Yeah,
but
they wanted to deliver items to your home or something.
Right,
Yeah.
and they would just drop them right down. And it's a great idea for them because it would lower their delivery costs. But when you're talking about Facebook and Google, they're talking about bringing internet connectivity to areas where it isn't currently and very difficult to get to. So you're talking about South America or throughout Africa. This is another company that makes these drones, so this company is always talked about when there's a deal in that space, so that's pretty exciting. They recently had good earnings. Last 2 quarters have been very good. Beats of 100% and 79% above analyst expectations, and the earnings estimates have risen sharply as a result.
So those radio-controlled model airplanes that you get at the store, have those now crossed over to the drone category yet? Or
I
are they
guess
still in the hobby category?
I'd say they're still in the hobby category. So those makers are going to be hobby and toys. But I think when you're looking at the size of the aircraft that they're making for these sorts of things, they're definitely more on the drone area.
Okay.
So. But I don't want to drone on about this.
Yeah, that's right. Absolutely. So E-Trade Financial is the other company that's on the radar.
Right. And, E-Trade Financial, I think we all know the online brokerage system. They give you the discount trades. Yep. Some are cheaper than others. The earnings history here hasn't been that great. 1 beat out of the last 4 quarters. So three meets and 1 beat. So nothing special there, but we have seen estimates move a lot higher. It's a Zacks #1 rank, and I think one of the big reasons for that is that volumes in January and February for the online brokerage companies were near highs or near all-time highs. So that's always a good thing for those guys. Right now we're heading into the beginning of the second quarter, and that sell in May type idea is coming in. So expecting to see a lot more selling coming through these brokerage accounts. But still, the idea here is that volume is going to be strong as the retail crowd is back. But you do know what they say anytime that you use one of these online brokerage accounts, right?
I do not, no.
Only the broker gets richer.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm glad that you filled in that blank for us. Do you own either of these two?
I do not.
Okay, check out other stock picks and stock picking strategies, other interesting articles on individual companies and macro trends as well. On Zacks.com, you can link to them right off the homepage if you're not there already watching this video. With Brian, I'm Terry Ruffalo.